Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about 10 lines on library. Number 1. Library is a place where different types of books are kept. Number 2. Students come here to study. Number 3. There is peace all around. Number 4. Library is a disciplined place. Number 5. Proper silence has to be maintained at the library. Number 6. Students can issue any book for reading. Number 7. They have to return the books after reading. Number 8. No book is for selling purposes. Number 9. This is a good place for making concentration in studies. Number 10. Every school, college and the university has its own library. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.